like it just really wants to get up there so fast. What tires are they?
That's what these tires.
Oh, dude, they're so sticky. Whoa, that 475 cam by SNS, it's a monster cam, man. All right. Alright guys, so today is the day. If you guys had already seen the video, we did the review on this bike right here. It's Beast, and we're gonna be taking it out. That was yesterday, so today is gonna be my first time riding this Beast. This bike is something else, man. I'm actually really excited about this bike. I want to see the huge difference with the carbon wheels. I want to see if these carbon wheels do make a difference, man. So we got the 475 cam on this bike, HPI pipe, injectors, GP front suspension. We got all the suspension in the back. We got the Kraus setup here. Alright. Yo, this thing feels like a beast. Yo. It sounds crazy. And it feels nuts, man. Just that chop sound, man. That chop sound is so distinctive on a 475 cam. These tires feel super sticky too. Rich told me to ride this bike like if it's mine, so that's what we're gonna do. The Kraus setup feels great, real comfortable. When we get back to the shop, I'll ask him for the height. But I believe it's a 10-inch riser. Holy crap, man. I really like the fact that the gauges are right here in the front as well. Nothing's impairing the screen here. This is right in your face. I mean, I like it when they're behind the bar as well, but in the front it looks super cool too. That's the good thing about when you do the Kraus setup, or even when you do the thrashing setup, is that you can locate the gauges wherever you want. That pipe sounds crazy, man. Like, I want to say that the bike feels lighter. I really do. Just like the handling of it, because of the carbon wheels. And the tires feel so sticky. I gotta ask them what tire brand these are, because these feel great. This bike is scary fast. Like it just really wants to get up there so fast. It really does. It wants to live up in those high RPMs. That 475 cam by SNS just, it's a monster cam, man. And you feel the bike just building pressure, building power. The more gas you give it, the higher those RPMs go, and it just wants to go more and more. Yeah, Rich did a sick job with this build right here. I mean, the bike is beautiful. It's very tastefully done. Sometimes we see bikes and they're like, oh yeah, they're cool, but it's like sometimes like they got a few things that kind of kill the build, and it could be simple little things, but this is very clean, very clean. Yo, this bike is scary fast. Like scary fast.
How did you enjoy the handling?
It's phenomenal. What tires? What tires are they?
The Metz and Cruise Techs.
Oh, dude, they're so sticky.
Yeah.
And then and it's just the handling is just.
You feel the stiffness that I was talking about?
Yeah, but it's not a bad stiffness. Right. It's a good stiff handling. Like we're talking about, like.
You step into a performance vehicle that has like suspension lowered.
Yeah, and you're going into the corners and it's just stable.
Right. You don't bottom out. You feel that it's stiff. It's going to be able to take the turn, but at the same time,
it's like having a stabilizing bar in a car.
Right.
On a race car, it's like it's.
That's the feeling you're getting.
Yeah.
Now, what about the wheels? How do you feel like?
They feel super light. Like the bike feels lighter and it's stiff and it's comfortable. Like it feels more comfortable.
You
like
can still go touring.
Oh, dude, hell yeah. I mean, you gotta be extra careful that you're not going over any potholes and stuff like that. But it's scary fast, and the more power you want to give it, the more it just wants to build and build and build. Right. But that's a 475 cam for you. Like that cam is a beast. Right. But you also got the injectors in it, which add on to that, and
ample fuel.
Dude, I think that's what it is.
So I think common misconception. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if anybody else thinks I'm wrong, comment down below, that when you build a performance bagger, you're taking away the ability of touring or minimizing it. And like, you just rode this and you see how...
No, but you didn't minimize anything with this, because you could tour on this all day.
Right. And it's...
what? Is your fuel consumption going to be a lot lower than usual? Hell yeah. But, come on. It sounds great.
Yeah,
dude,
it's... You know what? I don't get this... I never, everybody tells me how good it sounds, and I never really get...
Until you get to hear someone going off on it.
When you left, and then you came back, and like as you're rolling, I hear how deep it is.
Yeah.
Like that bass. And I guess it's because of the 117.
How tall are your risers?
I want to say those are 10s.
10?
Yeah, because I have 8s on the Challenger.
Okay. Yeah, it's a similar setup to mine. But wow, man, it feels great. The pipe sounds great. Oh, man. Dude, You did a sick build.
Marvel Kid 87 approves?
He definitely approves. If I didn't approve, I would be crazy. This bike, I was telling everybody right now, I'm like, listen, it's also such a nice, clean build.
Right.
You know, at the same time, you've done a bunch of crazy stuff to it, but it's minimalist,
Right.
and it looks so good and clean.
Right.
You know, like it's perfect. Just the way it is right now, sitting, it looks great.
Still got a classy look to it.
Yep. Oh man. So once again, just real quick to give you guys a little roundup of what the bike has. We got carbon wheels front and back. We got the carbon front fender. We got the Baja lights in the front. Clockworks windshield. GP front suspension. We got the Öhlins rear suspension here as well. HPI pipe. Saddleman seat. Kraus setup in the front right here in the bar. We got a chain conversion. 475 cam. The HPI air cleaner right here with the outer body. It's, you got thrashing floorboards, mini floorboards, fuel injectors, Galfer rotors, Arleness lowers right here for your front forks, and I'm pretty sure I'm missing a ton of other stuff, but this is it. Clean build, awesome. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and that's gonna be it, man. Catch you guys in the next one. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.